Be ready for the dictation. Start. Nature, beautiful and wonderful. It would be hard to find ourselves without a moment in which to interest ourselves in the daily movement and change round about us. Stop. Even less pleasing is the idea of the loss of our own memories. Stop. All the things, all the people and events we have loved in the past would be lost to us, and we should find in our minds, in place of them, another set of memories of people and events, and they would certainly be of a different order from our own stanza. Of course, you will say that these things would not really matters, because if we became another person, we should think and act as that person, and we should like it having no memory at all, act of our old selves. Stop. That no doubt is true, but the important point is that in wanting to be that other person, we should have to take all the other changes as well. Stop. We could not just have the good looks or the money or the good opinion of the world. Stop. It would be all or nothing, and our personality would be lost to us. Stop. In its place would be another and quite different personality. Stop. Stanza. It seems a great comfort, therefore, to know that we shall never have the opportunity to make such a change. Stop. We shall go on just being ourselves. Stanza. How we say a thing is generally just as important as what we say. Stop. Sometimes it is important because we can change the meaning of the words we use by the way we say them. Stop. If we place weight on one word rather than on another, we can change the feeling of our words. Stop. By changing the expression of our voice, we can suggest that we are serious or that we are speaking only in play. Stop. For example, you may say to a friend, "You really are the most senseless person I ever met." Stop. With such a remark, you could break with your friend forever, but in 9 cases out of 10, such a remark will have been made lightly as if in play, and if under the words there is just a suggestion of seriousness, your friend is free not to remark upon it, because you have made the statement so lightly. Stanza. Sometimes people do not wish it to be said that they are not speaking the truth, and yet they do not want to speak the truth. Stop. They therefore take words which in themselves could be true, but use them in such a way as to suggest a different meaning. Stop. It is not, however, only in connection with meaning or the results of our words that it is important to be careful. Stop. Over.